Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today is giveaway day. Giveaway. So basically what I need y'all to do is to comment on this video. Comment your, comment your favorite color. And your favorite craft item. And if you don't have a favorite craft, it's fine. You can just do your favorite color. But I want to know what everybody does or what they like. So definitely comment your favorite craft if you have one and your favorite color. And then on the day after Thanksgiving, I will pick a winner. So I will randomly pick somebody from the list and send them a this, well, not exactly this one, but it'll be a Christmas notepad wallet with a matching pencil or pen, or and maybe some other little gifts and gadgets. So giveaway time. I hope everybody participate. Tell your friends to tell a friend. All you have to do is comment on the status. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so you can keep posted of other, giveaways that we're going to have, and so you can stay up to date on this one. So thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful, wonderful day.